The worst nightmare of any real estate investor ay magbenta ng palugi or at a loss. I'll discuss how you can prevent this by avoiding these 4 costly rookie mistakes. I'm Edric Magwan, and this is The Real Deal! Welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing with you real stories and practical investment strategies so you can have the confidence to start and grow your real estate investments today. At the height of the pandemic, we've seen a lot of palugi or fire sale of properties. While the unforeseen crisis can be blamed, there are things that we can do to prepare and prevent us from selling at a loss. So before you start investing, make sure you avoid these 4 costly mistakes. The first mistake is lack of cash flow management. Since investing in real estate is a long-term commitment, you should manage your cash flow with a long-term perspective. Don't buy a property just because you can afford the down payment right now. Make sure you have a plan and foresight on how you'll be able to pay the monthly loan amortization down the road. It doesn't have to be so precise at the moment, but at least you have a plan on how you can cover your expenses both now and in the future. The second common mistake is not having enough as an emergency fund. Having too little may put you in a situation that may pressure you to sell your property at a loss, especially in case of any unforeseen circumstances. The safe amount varies depending on the stability of your source of income and your expenses. But the rule of thumb is that you set aside an amount that will last you 3 to 6 months, including your monthly payments for the property. Make sure you revisit this amount at least once a year. The third common mistake is panicking. While some had no choice but to let go of their investment, many investors made this mistake, especially at the height of the pandemic. In truth, some may have panicked thinking that the market would crash long term. Remember that bad situations are temporary, and that selling your appreciating asset should be your last resort. While unforeseen circumstances may force you to pivot and work harder in the short term to hold on to your property, you will thank yourself later that you were able to maximize the benefits of your real estate investment. Finally, the last mistake is having unrealistic expectations. Some were led to believe that you can get instant gratification when investing in real estate and sell their property right away at huge gains. While this may be true at times, this is the exception rather than the rule. It requires a lot of time and effort to look for these properties worth fixing and flipping that you can sell at huge profit in a very short time frame. Real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is and always will be built on the foundation of long and steady income and growth. It is a fact of life that something unforeseen may disrupt our plans. And that is why it is important to take active control so you can future-proof your real estate investment and maximize its potential even in the worst-case scenario. If you need help in getting the right property investment for you, send me a message or sign up for a free consultation with me via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time!